Now that all of our Fortnite withdrawal symptoms have been suppressed, let me tell y'all what I've noticed gameplay-wise a few hours into the new season. Number 1, of course, thank God they didn't vault our precious snipers. Number 2, the double jump effect that you get from going in the green water is pretty cool. One of the medallions in the game actually gives you that effect permanently, but none of the medallions give you shield anymore. They just give you certain abilities like the double jumping effect, and improved sprinting is another one as well. Now, as far as the new weapons go, the new SMG is pretty solid, but the new DMR and shotgun are both just garbage that's cluttering the loot pool. You honestly just gotta pray that you don't come across either of those in the early game, but there is a very high chance that you do. Now for mobility, these wings have replaced the grapple blade. For my style of play, I still prefer the shockwaves, but in just a few games I've already seen how overpowered these wings have the potential to be, especially when it comes to escaping or chasing somebody down. Now for the Mythic Zeus Thunderbolt, it's a pretty decent item, but it took me way too many encounters with it to realize that it has a very long animation, and you can just chill out and line up a sniper shot and you'll be alright. Now for the part I know everybody's gonna love, the auto shotgun did get a buff. I believe the damage and fire rate are the same, but as y'all can see, it has a lot more range than last season.